company, Infinite Networks, was really developed, back in the early days with the mindset that we can install anything. So I think that's one other thing that kind of sets us apart from some of our competitors is our ability to do research and keep up with, the industry and the trends. So things are constantly evolving and changing, in the technology world. So new technologies arise. Our company is getting the training and certifications required to be able to install that type of structured cabling and do it effectively and do it with confidence. So I think that's some basics of structured cabling. There's definitely many other types of structured cabling, and there's a lot of specialized cabling that our team will install, and just after doing some research and making sure that we are prepared to do it.